Hey guys, thank you for tuning in today. It's your girl, Tracy Wiggins with eXp Realty, helping you make boss moves. Guys, today I am in Conyers, Georgia, and I want to tell you guys about an amazing deal that you only have till this weekend to hop on. And that is the deal that LGI Homes is doing for, I almost want to say first-time home buyers, but it's really for anybody. And basically, they are paying all of your closing costs. All you have to do is pay $1,000 down. That gets the home reserved, and then you pay $2,000 at closing, and that's it. This subdivision is called Avondale North, and the home I'm getting ready to show you is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch, and the square footage is 1860. Let's take a look. So guys, what do you think about that beautiful home? I mean, a beautiful rent style home, and the asking price is only $311,900. $311,900 just for this weekend. After this weekend, this home will be priced at $360,000. So come by and get your 2-bath, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, right at 1,828 square feet. Here in the Avondale North subdivision in Conyers, Georgia. Avondale North subdivision in Conyers, Georgia. I would absolutely love to work with you because they are certainly working with clients. Again, $1,000 gets you in the home. just to reserve it. And then you only pay $2,000 at closing. That's a total of $3,000 to get into your hand. And that is because you're working with their preferred lender and they're giving you $15K towards your closing. Yeah, so it's a great deal. And for the agents out there, they are also giving you a bonus on your commission of 2%. Guys, everybody is winning. Come make a boss move. Call me. Let's get you in this home. Thanks for watching.